Hi, I'm Melinda Hartwright. I'm an interior designer based in Bowral in the Southern Highlands, and this is now where I base my work and my life with my family and 3 children. So this project is a house that my husband and I have flipped. Apart from my interior design business, one of the other things that we do as a couple is renovate and flip houses. So this is a really lovely cottage that we found about a year ago, it's an 1880s cottage which had a renovation and extension done on the back in the early 2000s. And it was perfect for us because it was close to town. It was perfect for the downsizers market. So firstly, for the laundry here, I wanted a butler sink, which I love. They're aesthetically pleasing. It's a very simple laundry with just a very simple shaker profile cupboard. So I wanted really to have a statement piece. And it's not a big laundry, it's a cottage. So it was really important to have something that just had a real, was the hero piece of the room. And the tap was the same thing. I needed to have something that was going to really draw the eye and just to have real wow factors. So they were the reasons that I chose those 2 things, not just because of the detail at the front of the beautiful fluted detail of the butler sink, and it was the right size, but also the lovely finish of the tapware. So the second product that we chose from Turner Hastings for the bathroom here was a beautiful pedestal basin, and I wanted again a traditional look. I wanted something that was made of ceramic with a classic shape, and again something that was traditional but contemporary at the same time. It's really important to me, not just for myself, but particularly when I'm specifying products for clients, that the products meet a number of requirements for me. And I find that with the Turner Hastings products, not only are they really well priced, but you get these warranties and guarantees from the company that just give me satisfaction and peace of mind, knowing that they're going to last. I've dealt with a number of bathware companies and companies that provide sinks and tapware that might give a 2-year warranty, and that to me is just a big no-no. It's really important for me that I have products that have a 15 or a 30-year warranty, which is what you get with Turner Hastings. Their tapware, they come with really strong, good warranty. Yeah, I'm really comfortable recommending Turner Hastings products to future clients and also to anybody who's renovating or decorating their own home. I think my experience certainly with the product and with the company has been first class.